Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make umbrella symbol in Microsoft Word. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open your Microsoft Word software and write down this code 2614. And now what you have to do, just press Alt and X. Now you can see your umbrella icon has been made. You can do it again. I'm showing you how to do it again. Just make some spaces, then again type 2614, and then again click on Alt plus X. Now you can see umbrella icon has been made again. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.